Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, I'll show you the updated method to install Feather Signer on your iPhone or iPad and easily sideload IPA files, no jailbreak, no PC required. And yes, this works on iOS 16, iOS 17, and the latest iOS 18. Let's get started. First open Safari, and then open SKIBIDI Tech website, and then hit on Download SKIBIDI, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iOS device. Now open Setting, then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install and hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iOS device. Now you will see SKIBIDI Tech app on your iOS device home screen. Open it, and then hit on Get in front of Feather Signer app, and then hit Install to install Feather Signer app in your iOS device. Once Feather Signer app is installed in your iOS device, now open Setting, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let Feather Signer app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see Feather Signer app will start working properly without any problem. Now open the SKIBIDI Tech app again, and then hit on Certificates. Then on the first certificate hit Get, and then save the certificate zip file in your iOS device. Now open your files, and then simply hit on the Save Cert zip file. Then it will give you new cert folder with 3 files in it. Now open the Feather Signer app again, and then hit on Setting, and then scroll down and hit on Add Certificate. Now hit on the plus sign, and then first hit on Import Provisioning File, and then select the mobile provision file from the new cert folder. Then hit on the Import Certificate file, and then select the P12 file. Then in Password section write the password, and then hit Save. Now we are good to use Feather Signer app. Simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device. Then open Feather Signer app, and then hit on the library, and then hit on Import, and then hit Import from the files. Then simply select the IPA file you want to install. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit Sign. Then hit Start Signing. Once it's signed successfully, now hit on your signed IPA file, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. That's it. Your IPA file is now installed without a PC or jailbreak. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome iOS tips. Also, comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.